Let's talk a bit about wireless because, wireless is a great interim solution. What sort of timeframes could customers expect to get wireless installed? And what is it subject to? Can every single client get a wireless put on his roof and that?
So wireless, and I'll use the generalized term because wireless and microwave are very similar technologies, but wireless connectivity effectively means that you're putting up kit and you're looking for what's called line of sight, and it is what it says it is. You need a direct line of sight to the high point where your link terminates to. When it hits that high point, it actually then normally goes down into fiber, and the rest of the link is in fiber. But from a wireless perspective, your speeds, you can very comfortably get speeds up to about 100 megasecond, and certainly in the 10, 20, 50 megasecond, it's very prevalent. And your coverage is going to be far more prevalent than fiber. So you're going to be able to get coverage in areas that are far more outer lying. But you do need a line of sight termination to a tower, and that needs to be within a couple of kilometers to get a decent signal. If you're out of range of line of sight, you wouldn't be able to get a wireless connection for the business there. In terms of timeframes, we've got a solution which is a rapid deployment solution. Once we've done the test to see if there is line of sight, we can have customers up and running within 72 hours. It isn't always the case. It'll depend on the provider, it'll depend on the strength of line of sight, and it'll depend on the kit that you use on the building to terminate it. But it's certainly a hell of a lot faster than fiber connectivity. Within 3 days, a week, 2 weeks, 3 weeks, that's normally the kind of time frame that you can get a wireless solution up and running for a business, and they can start consuming bandwidth as they need to.